Hey everybody, this is your Aunt Cathy. I'm going to show you your Uncle Neil's soap maker here. You know, you get all these little pieces of soap that are too small to use like that. Well, he went to the hardware store and got him these pipe fittings, and he started putting those pieces of soap in there with a little bit of water. And then he put this lid on there and he cranked it down and compressed it, and he just kept on doing that till it was full. And then he took the lid off, and it's sitting down here in this room now drying. And when it dries, it'll pull away from that side and he'll be able to get a great big bar of soap out of there, and then we'll use that the rest of the way down. So there's something you can do with your leftover soap with the materials that are readily available at the hardware store. And you can try that at home. Just get Mom or Dad to help you out. Maybe you could even come up with another way to make it, and then you post it on there on the YouTube channel and show us how you made it. And I'd be proud about that. So we love you, and subscribe, and we'll do these as we can. Get these out. Little things that you can do at home with Mom and Dad. Alright, well, have a good day, and bye-bye.